Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a very simple PHP program to check if the given year is a leap year or not. A leap year happens every 4 years. That's why Olympic Games happens every 4 years. Every example of leap year is 1988, year 2000, 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016. Before we write the code, if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started, guys. So we are here in my ADA. I'm using Visual Studio Code that is freely available over the internet. You can download it for free of charge. Okay, so we can start with less than question mark PHP. Let's say for example I have here a year. Let's say for example I will have a year 2016. 2016 is considered as a leap year. We have here a conditional statement. Echo first, header 1, if $year equals 0, modulus 4 equals 0, and $year modulus 100 not equal not equal 0, or $year or $year modulus 400 equals 0. Okay, begin. Echo the 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 given year is a leap year. Else, if it is false, begin. Is not. Okay, echo. Okay, so we have done already, no? So the next step is we will save our work. Control S. Right click, select new, and then select new folder, and then example leap. For leap year, let's say file name index.php. select PHP, click the save button. Okay, Okay, let us check our code. Localhost ellip index.php. Okay, we have the right result. The given year 2016 is a leap year. Let's say for example 2019, this year, this is not a leap year. So let us go back here, we refresh. 2019 is also a leap year. Not equal if year. Let us check the code. There are some underlying bugs that I would like to check. It should be not a leap year. Okay, 2019 is not a leap year. Okay, next 2022. It's not a leap year. 2021. Not a leap year. 2020. This one is a leap year. Okay, total the given year. I will fix the problem here. Okay, that's programming. The given year 2020 is a leap year. Let's say for example 2000, year 2000. This is also a leap year. Okay, but if we change it to 2021, save, when refresh, is not a leap year. 2004, 2008, save, refresh, is a leap year. Here we go guys, we have already done writing a program using PHP as our programming language to check whether the given year by the user is a leap year or not a leap year. Thank you very much guys for watching. Before we end, if you like our video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.